Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia, and today we are going to be styling up to like 35, 40 outfits for a European summer vacation. I got my style. Last week I published a video where I talked about a 15-piece capsule wardrobe for a extended European trip, and in this video I'm going to be styling all of the pieces that I talked about in that previous video. Just to refresh your memory, I have 3 pairs of shoes that I would include in this capsule: a pair of sneakers for touring and walking, a loafer flat for also touring and walking, and a short heel for any kind of fancier event that you might be having. You could easily substitute sandals for the loafer or for the heels if you want to. I am including 6 tops in this capsule: a white tank top, a black tank top, and a linen button-up shirt. I've also included a vest, a ribbed knit top, and a cotton voile top. For bottoms, I went with 3, and I'm going with a pair of white jeans, a pair of black wide leg pants, and also a black cotton poplin skirt. I'm including some impact pieces, that's what I call them. One of them is a silk slip skirt, and the second, I had initially said I was going to include a rib knit dress, but I have since changed my mind and instead have included this mixed media dress because it's going to offer you a little bit more breathability. It's going to be a bit more comfortable, I think, in a really warm climate. So I love this dress. It's really super comfortable and versatile. I am bringing one outerwear piece into the capsule, and that is this beautiful linen blazer. For accessories, I figured 2 bags and 1 tote would suffice, and then whatever jewelry you choose to bring, but the bare bones minimum would be a pair of pearl earrings and a pair of gold hoops, and possibly a chunky gold necklace. So all of these things comprise this capsule wardrobe. It will help to make packing really small and very minimal. It will help you to make your way through a long extended vacation in the easiest way possible, but it will also afford you some extra room for other things that you may want to take with you, but also that you might bring back. One of the things that I know that I am not doing on this trip is I am not sleeping on some random pillow and smashing my face into it, causing lines and wrinkles. This wrinkle here, these wrinkles right here, the wrinkles that I have here on my eyelids, on my under eyes, all of them caused by sleeping on a pillow that is not designed to help to save your face. This portion of the video is sponsored by the Sleep and Glow Omnia pillow. When we sleep on a standard pillow, we tend to crush our face. We get these wrinkles. At first they fade during the day, but what ends up happening is that they become permanent. When you've got a pillow that is designed to help cradle your head in such a way that will not cause wrinkles, it is a lifesaver. The pillow is designed by orthopedic doctors, made in such a way that it cradles your head. They've carved out these 2 areas on either side of the pillow. As you can see here, we've got some indentation there. What ends up happening is that when you roll over onto your side, your face is nicely cradled and it doesn't crush the skin inward. So you end up with a lot less wrinkles. I also find that I sleep much better with this pillow, more so than a standard pillow. I feel more rested in the mornings because of the way that my neck is cradled with this pillow, and I don't have any more neck or shoulder pain either. I can't imagine being without my pillows. That's just not going to happen. So I'm really glad that I am consolidating everything that I am packing in order to be able to take my pillow, because 15 days is a long time and I don't want to undo the work that I have done with my Omnia pillow. Right now is an excellent time to get an Omnia pillow. It is their birthday month and they have kindly extended a 15% discount side-wide. So on anything on the website, using my code, I will be sure to include that in the description bar and on the pinned comment to this video so that you can take advantage of that. I love this pillow. It is probably one of my top favorite things of 2025 so far. I can't imagine being without it. And so, like I said, she's gonna see Europe alongside with me. So make sure to check out Sleep and Glow Omnia pillows. Go to their website, browse around. You're gonna love this pillow, guys. You are absolutely going to love it. It is life-changing. Thank you to Sleep and Glow for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's get to the styling portion of the video.
tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
I'm gonna tell you, gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you.
I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something
I hope that you enjoyed the outfits that I pulled together in this capsule wardrobe. Let me know what your favorite one was, and also, was this helpful for you? Is this a formula that you will use to travel if you have an extended trip? I'm going to leave you with a video that I published last week that goes over all of the pieces. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you in that video. Bye.
It's alright.